Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through this channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared, and of course you need to practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. These are the assets I will be checking out, and of course everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then definitely you need to go through the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital into a big one. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. This is boom 1000, and of course the market was on downtrend before, but after getting to this support zone, it changed the direction of the market. You can see the yellow flag signifying that the market is on uptrend at this particular point, so it started buying right from there. So it got to this region. Let me remove my trade history. Okay, it got to this region. It was unable to go above this resistance zone, so it had a pullback. It might be trying it out again. If it tries it out and it's unable to break out, then it will go back on downtrend. But for now, it's still more of a downtrend until it's changed the direction of the market into a it's still more of an uptrend. Okay, until it's changed the direction of the market into a sell trend. Okay, just now it's trying to give us a sell trend signal, but we need it to break out below this support, and that is the power of this indicator. You can see the signals, and of course we can see that it's trying to create a red flag right from here, which shows that the market might be on downtrend right from there. So once all these are in place, and of course it breaks out below this support zone, then it's going to sell more. Okay, so we should expect more of a selling opportunity that way. Okay, so this is very, very important. So the next asset is going to be boom 500. Okay, this is boom 500, and of course this had been on downtrend, got to this region, pull back and went back on downtrend, but we needed to break out below this support zone before it can go fully on a sell trend. So this is selling at the moment. Okay, and of course the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 1000. Right from this resistance zone, it started selling, and of course got to this region, got to this support zone, and was unable to go below that, and of course it started a buy trend right from there. You can see the red flag that this signifies that the market is on uptrend at this particular point. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 500. This had been on uptrend, got to this region, pull back, went back there again, still pull back, and of course it is at the same spot. If it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying, but if it does not, then it will go back on downtrend. But for now it is still buying. Okay, it is still buying at the moment. Okay, so this is very, very important. This might not be for a very long time. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, so the next asset is going to be V75. Let's check it out right away. Okay, this is V75. This actually went on downtrend right from here. It went on downtrend right from here. You can see the red flag, and of course the sell order, and of course broke out below this support zone around there, and of course it's sold till this moment. Okay, it's trying to go back on uptrend, but it needs to break out above this resistance zone, and if it breaks out above it, then it's going to buy more. If it does not and breaks out below the support zone, then it's going to buy, it's going to sell more. Okay, so this is trying to go back on buy trend at the moment. This might not be for a very long time before this depends on if it breaks out if it breaks out above the resistance zone or breaks out below the support zone, okay, like I said earlier on, if it breaks out above this resistance zone, then it's going to buy more, but if it breaks out below the support zone, it's going to sell more. So that aspect is very, very important, so you need to understand that part. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.